What's the capital of Argentina?
Buenos Aires.
What's the capital of El Salvador?
San Salvador.
What's the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
What's the capital of Costa Rica?
San Jose. I forgot to
San
say
San
thank you.
Jose.
I forgot to say thank you for the girls.
Okay, you forgot to say thank you to the girls. Okay. What's the capital of
Thank
Belgium?
you, girls.
Thank you, girls. What's the capital of Belgium?
Brussels.
Brussels. Don't cheat. You're cheating. You're cheating.
Cairo.
What's the capital of Egypt?
Cairo.
Egypt. Cairo.
Cairo.
What's the capital of Brazil?
Syria.
What's the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
Kabul. What's the capital of Bahamas?
Yes, sir.
What's the capital of Belize?
Philippines.
What's the capital of Cyprus?
Nicosia.
Okay, don't cheat. What's the capital of Albania?
Jana.
All right, Jana. Let me see. Let's get more. What's the capital of Bulgaria?
Sofia.
Sofia. You don't have to cheat. You know that one because Sofia is your best friend. Okay, what's the capital?
Idan.
And Isa. And Isa is your best friend too. What's the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Very good, Toya. Very, very good.